for the following areas in Connecticut: southern Fairfield, southern New Haven, southern Middlesex and southern New London, and the following areas in New York: southern Westchester, Bronx, northwest Suffolk, northern Queens, northern Nassau and northeast Suffolk. Coastal flood advisory remains in effect from 8 p.m. this evening to 1 a.m. Saturday. Locations along the Long Island Sound and Peconic and Gardner's Bays of Long Island. Tidal departures 1 to 2 feet above astronomical tides tonight. Timing for the following areas in New York: Brooklyn, southwest Suffolk, southern Queens, southern Nassau and southeast Suffolk.
West 5 to 10 knots in the afternoon. Seas around 2 feet in the morning, then 1 foot or less storms. The marine forecast for the Long Island South Shore Base. Small craft advisory in effect through.
To allow your car to cross safely. Use your high ground. To the following counties in New Jersey, Vernon, Essex, Hudson and Passaic, and the following counties in New York: Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, Queens and Staten Island. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued an urban flood advisory for Brooklyn and southeast New York, Hudson County in northeast New Jersey, Staten Island in southeast New York, Essex County in northeast New Jersey, Bergen County in northeast New Jersey, Bronx County in southeast New York, Fairfield, northern Middlesex, northern New Haven, northern New London, southern Fairfield, southern Middlesex, southern New Haven and southern New London, in northeast 30 p.m. These additional scattered heavier showers are estimated to have rainfall rates between 1 and 2 inches per hour. This is expected to cause minor flooding of low-lying and poor-drainage areas. Do not turn your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Most flooding deaths occur in automobiles. Turnouts and find another route. Excessive runoff from the storm will cause flooding of urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses as well as other drainage areas in the low-lying spots.
New York. Station KWO 35 watts on the frequency of 152.55 records.
For the following West Somerset, Sussex, in 1, 10 till 7:45 p.m. At 1:38 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated areas of moderate to heavy rain moving that have already seen between 1.5 and 2 inches on average. Additional rainfall could cause ponding on roadways. This is covered by a coastal flood advisory for the following areas in New Jersey: Hudson, eastern Essex and eastern Union, and the following areas. High surf advisory means that high swim directly against the rip current. Even as strong swimmers to locally heavy rain continued to fall across southern Connecticut. Total rainfall amounts between 1.5 and 2.5 inches have fallen. Additional heavy rain approaching from Long Island will move across the area this evening and is expected to cause flooding of low-lying and poor drainage areas. Small streams are also expected to exceed bank full. A flood warning means that flooding 7.7/5.5. Dot minor, Freeport Gauge, New York, 9:35 p.m. 0.5.3/4.5. Dot minor, Point Lookout, New York, Point Gauge, 38 p.m. 0.5.6/4.5.